to Lutong Barkada. I'm Marie.
And I'm Joy.
Guys, today we want to share with you a very simple and quick recipe, perfect for busy people like us.
We are cooking marinated skirt steak with chimichurri sauce.
Joy, I cook this or when I need something to eat quick for lunch.
You can actually prepare and cook this in less than 30 minutes with only 5 ingredients.
And if you like the sauce, we also need 5 more ingredients for the chimichurri sauce.
So here are the ingredients. We have 2 pounds of skirt steak. And then for marinade, we will need 4 tablespoons oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, salt and pepper.
And for our chimichurri sauce, we need 1 bunch of cilantro, 4 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 head of fresh garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1 whole lemon, and salt and pepper. Let's go!
So let's start cooking.
So first step is to marinate the meat. And we can start with the oyster sauce. So Joy will spread it evenly. Yeah.
So let's massage our meat to distribute the oyster sauce.
And
Lagyan natin both sides.
if you need more, you can just add.
Yes. Okay.
But this is really tasty, this oyster sauce. So, do we need more, Joy?
Well, you can adjust if you wanna add more. Oyster sauce is a little bit salty already, but you can adjust that. But
Okay.
it's up to you.
And then next is we put the garlic powder. So just spread it. And we will still put salt and pepper. So, okay.
To make it this is just garlic powder for more flavor.
Yeah.
All right, let's put more on the bottom.
Okay. Is it coated? Some more?
Then we'll add more. We'll add salt and pepper.
Okay, here's salt.
And massage the meat. How about the salt, the pepper?
Can you, yeah, how about that one in
Yes.
the middle? I don't think I put in the middle. Yeah.
Okay.
And here it is. And other side. So since it's very thin, it will, you don't need a lot, but it's up to you. You can adjust to your taste. Okay, good.
Let's use all the
Garlic.
garlic.
Okay, back to the garlic powder.
I love garlic. You can also use fresh garlic if you like. So we don't need to add more oyster sauce, do you think?
Yeah, we can. I'll just add a little bit more pepper, do you think? You want me to get the oyster sauce to add a little bit
You can
more?
add more.
Yeah.
But not too much because the oyster sauce is a little bit salty and we added salt already in here. So, no.
Okay.
Alright, let's massage it more. That's more like it. And how long do we need to marinate this?
Oh, when I cook it like lunchtime, I just marinate and then cook it right away, and it's still tasty. But you can marinate it till like 20 minutes is good. But I'm
Okay.
telling you, even if you don't wait for 20 minutes, it's still tasty.
Alright, is that it?
Okay?
Alright, so marinate for 20 minutes at least?
Yes. And now we prepare the sauce.
Okay.
Chimichurri sauce. So now we will make the chimichurri sauce. So for that, we will put everything in the food processor. So very easy.
Yep, just do that. We'll put everything. Hope it fits
There you
there.
go.
And have a bigger one.
garlic.
And just drop everything there.
So
And then while Marie is putting the other ingredients, I'm gonna
I hope
make.
this is not spicy, Joy.
Should be okay.
I don't eat spicy,
juice
but
the
we'll
whole
put
lemon.
everything. And the olive oil. Look at this. Yeah.
And one more.
Can I use this?
Yeah.
Just to get everything.
Get all that juice here.
And salt and pepper, right?
Yes.
Well, you can add later.
Get all the juice.
Sige lang. Pour it, pour it.
Look at that juice. This is very helpful, this thing. I don't have this one.
Okay, here it is.
Yeah, just a bit.
Okay.
Puree. Cilantro, garlic, lemon, olive oil,
Salt and pepper.
and the chili flakes.
Chili flake, yeah.
And make sure we'll just puree the whole thing for the sauce.
Oh wait, we're not in puree.
Now we're puree. Alright, all done.
Okay, now we transfer. If I
By
can
the way.
open it. Halata ba? Yeehaw.
It's
Okay.
like first time using that. Too faster.
Once in a while, I use this. Okay, Miss Joy.
Alright, let's transfer this.
I'll just put this aside.
Okay.
Yeah.
Get all that stuff there. Okay.
Our chimichurri sauce is ready. Oh, we can add the salt and pepper if we need it because I didn't put so much. Now it's time to cook our skirt steak.
So we preheated pan, and then we'll just
put it there. Yeah.
Alright. By the way, guys, this is Mary's own version of this recipe. Can I cut it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Usually I cut it when it's
Oh,
cooked
okay.
because it's easier to cut.
But it was too long.
Yeah.
And this is very thin slice.
So it's easy to cook it. So that's why it's quick.
Okay. Let's add more to this. So how many minutes are we cooking? One
Like
side.
5 minutes and then 5 minutes and then I cut it and then that's it.
So 10 minutes basically.
Yeah.
On both sides.
And then you can see if it's cooked already, how you like it, well done.
Yeah. And since this is when this slice, it's fast to cook. Okay, while you enjoy that, I'm gonna do the grilling.
Thank you.
Okay. So guys, if you don't have this kind of pan, you can use a grill, outside grill,
Or even like a skillet. You
So-
can,
oh,
you can,
yeah,
oh,
that's
yeah.
good
You
too.
can also
I'm gonna
do
turn
that,
this
yeah.
one. Oh, look at that.
we need a shield.
Thank you. I can turn this. Do you want me to cut it?
Yeah, sure.
It'll be faster.
Faster. Really easy.
This one definitely you will need some rice. Okay, looks like it's done. Can we have a plate?
Yep.
Bilis lang. Really fast. Okay, so it's done. And we'll taste it. You don't want to overcook it.
Yeah, it will become tough, right?
See, that's not even 15
It's not,
minutes.
yeah, it's not even. It's
Yeah.
less.
Alright, so I'm gonna put more. Let's see. Okay, this is kind of too long. Let's cut it.
I think this is guayabano juice. No? Mango concoction of Mr. Rafi. Thank you.
Our bartender. Yeah. You have to sweat it to taste it.
I think this will taste good.
So with this kind of grill, it's really fast to cook. But since if you don't have it, you can just
Yes,
use any
skillet, I
grill.
usually, during like weekdays, I just use the skillet because I just cook it here.
Since Marie is a fan of Korean K-drama, so this is from Korean store.
Yes.
What do you call that when you cook some pork belly here?
Beef. From some soup.
Yeah, something like that.
Nice color there.
And this one, Joy, I also got from the Korean store. Yes, you can see, guys, she's a fan of K-drama, Korean drama.
#1 fan?
Let me just go by. Okay, so maybe we can
pass
so this is done. You can pass me the plate, please. And then we'll try it.
One more.
Okay, and you can just transfer it there. So we're done, guys. This is our skirt steak. Thank you, Marie, for sharing your recipe.
You're welcome. And it's now time to eat.
Wanna taste
Okay, let's taste test.
Yes.
Tell me if you like it.
It's better with rice, of course.
Yep.
All right. So dig in. Of course, don't forget the sauce. It's my first time trying it with sauce.
What's the name of the sauce?
Chimichurri.
Chimichurri.
Okay, here.
First bite.
You can even cut it smaller pieces, like bite sizes.
It's really good.
Yum.
The sauce is really perfect for the meat.
Guys, I think this will become one of your favorites because it is tasty and easy to make.
Since summer is coming, this is perfect for outdoor grilling or picnics.
Yes, so hope you can try it and let us know and put it in the comment box.
Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
And click that notification bell. And if you notice, we're wearing our t-shirt. If you'd like to purchase one, let us know too in the comment box. See you next time. Bye.